Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix if your iPhone lag for iOS 18. Step 1. First restart your iPhone. Quickly press volume up plus side button, slide to power off, then back on your iPhone again. Step 2. Free up storage. First go to settings, then general, then iPhone storage. Aim to keep at least 10 to 20 GB free. Delete unused app, large videos, or enable offload unused apps. iOS 18 slows down heavily when storage almost full. Step 3. Turn off background app refreshes. Go to the settings, then general, then background refreshes. Select off. This stops apps from refreshing in the background and free RAM. Step 4. Close unused app. Swipe up and hold. Swipe up to close heavy app like Safari, Instagram, like TikTok and games. This free RAM and reduces lag instantly. Step 5. Update apps. Open App Store, then tap your profile icon. Update all apps. Old app versions may not be optimized for iOS 18. Step 6. Reset all your settings. Go to the settings, then general, then transfer or reset, then reset. Tap reset all settings. No photos or data will be deleted. This fixes hidden software conflicts after updating. And this is how you can fix your iPhone lag from iOS 18. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.